Basic grilled roasted chicken. Sure, you could roast the chicken in your oven, but this is more fun and you get to spend time outside playing with fire. The taste works. Full recipe is on our blog. Mix a dry rub of oregano, garlic powder, cumin, baking powder, and salt. The baking powder helps the skin crisp up. Spatchcocking the chicken lets it cook more evenly. Lay chicken on its breast and with a sharp, heavy knife, cut the backbone off. Use the weight of your body to push down through the bones. Scissors also work. There is no need to hack away. Turn the chicken skin side up, press down to spread out the breastplate, and use the weight of your body to flatten the chicken as much as possible. Crush it! Rub down the chicken all over with the seasoning mix and refrigerate for at least 3 hours, but overnight would be better. Save the backbone for chicken stock or discard it. Oh, one more thing. Before you grill, let the chicken sit at room temperature for at least an hour. Ignite 1 chimney of lumped charcoal. That's actual wood, not briquettes. Dump them into the grill and push the hot coals to the side. You don't want any of the chicken to be directly over the hot coals. Invest in an aftermarket cast iron grate. It's totally worth it. Brush olive oil all over the skin. Cover the lid with bottom and top vents all the way open. After 15 minutes, rotate the chicken 180 degrees and brush with oil again. At the same time, get a second chimney of lumped charcoal going and hope that it doesn't start to rain. After another 15 minutes, add next chimney on top of the coals. Rotate and brush with olive oil again. The chicken will really start to cook. Continue doing so every 15 minutes. After 1 hour's total cook time, check the temperature. If the chicken is around 165 degrees, it's done. Spread the coals out under the grate, turn the chicken skin side down and grill for a minute or two. This will crisp the skin a bit more and add grill marks if you want them. Now enjoy your roast chicken with your favorite sides. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please subscribe and follow us on Instagram. COVID-19 shut down our restaurant, so now we're food blogging. Stay tuned for more.